Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video you're going to see the unboxing of Agaro Rapid 1000 watt 10 liter wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I bought this vacuum cleaner for 3000 rupees in Amazon, and let me show you the unboxing of this vacuum cleaner. As soon as we open the box, we can see the vacuum cleaner. This is the suction pipe which we connect to the vacuum cleaner. Here we get the attachments. As it is a dry and wet vacuum cleaner, we get the attachments suitable for cleaning both dry and wet wastes. So here is a vacuum cleaner. It looks like a bucket. So this is the filter of vacuum cleaner. You also get different attachments, one for cleaning the corners and the other for dust. And these are the wheels of the vacuum cleaner. User manual and nothing else in the bottom. On the back of the vacuum cleaner, we need to fix the wheels. Let me show you the installation of this product. I bought this product as we are getting this vacuum cleaner for just 3000. But after I purchased it, I have returned this vacuum cleaner because this vacuum cleaner is making a lot of noise even for cleaning the wet as well as the dry waste. The noise is very loud and the attachments are also not good. The attachments are made with cheap quality plastic and it felt like there is no quality in the attachments. And it doesn't clean well. The main con of this vacuum cleaner is the attachments, so I have returned this product. I am not at all satisfied with this product and hence I don't recommend you to buy this. Thanks for watching this video guys and subscribe.